What are you doing?
I'm funny.
Don't do that. Stop.
I'll take a piece of my pudding.
I don't want to take a picture of your pootie.
Yeah.
No. Turn around. Jackson. Ow. I'm going to show this to your girlfriend when you're older. Oh my God.